clarity. Knowing your brand. It is so crucial that every employee in your organization knows your brand. Now, I travel a lot, and I remember going into a country and going and reaching customs or immigration and seeing this brand marketing message everywhere. Service with a smile. But here's the problem. Nobody was smiling. No one was smiling, and that's a problem. Now, here is a brand message that's being put out there, but employees who don't know it are unable to deliver it. Now, so my first tip for all of you is this, right? I mean, if you have a brand and you have a brand, ensure that everyone knows it. Make sure it's relevant to the people. I want you to start thinking about talking to employees and making sure that what you create from a brand standpoint is relevant to them. I really want you to make sure that you get everyone to understand the brand and make sure they know it.